China may or may not have given COVID-19 to the world, but India has stepped up to supply vaccines. Yes, India has emerged as a major exporter of COVID-19 vaccine.
आज भारत मानवता की सुरक्षा के लिए तैयार है।
सभी कंट्रीज पूरी कोशिश कर रही हैं कि जल्द से जल्द सभी लोगों को वैक्सीन मिल जाए, बट नॉट एवरीवन कैन प्रोड्यूस दिस वैक्सीन ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल, एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई दीज कंट्रीज आर लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स इंडिया. सो लेट अस सी हाउ इंडिया इज सप्लाइंग वैक्सीन्स टू द वर्ल्ड एंड हाउ चाइना, व्हिच इज आल्सो अ लार्ज प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ वैक्सीन, इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू इट and what this vaccine diplomacy means for us. According to a report, India is planning to supply as much as 20 million doses of vaccines to its neighboring countries and then the rest of the world. All this is a part of Vaccine Maitri program. कुछ कंट्रीज को ये वैक्सीन फ्री में डोनेट की जा रही है और कुछ कंट्रीज को ये वैक्सीन स्पेशल रेट्स पर दी जा रही है. Bhutan has received 1,50,000 vaccines. Bangladesh has purchased 30 million doses and it has already received 7 million doses. Nepal got 10 lakh. Maldives got 1 lakh, Seychelles got 50,000, Mauritius received 1 lakh, Morocco received 20 lakh, and Brazil also received 20 lakh vaccines. Vaccines have been dispatched to Sri Lanka and Bahrain as well. Afghanistan will also receive 5 lakh doses of vaccine soon. Other countries will also receive vaccines in next phase. इन सभी कंट्रीज को फिलहाल सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया की कोविशील्ड पहुंचाई जा रही है. Now let us see how China is responding to it. लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको बताता हूं कि बांग्लादेश में क्या हुआ. बांग्लादेश को मिलने वाली थी चाइनीज फर्म साइनोवैक की वैक्सीन कोरोनावैक, लेकिन वैक्सीन रिसीव करने से कुछ ही टाइम पहले चाइना ने बांग्लादेश को यह कहा कि अगर उसको उसकी वैक्सीन चाहिए तो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स में उसको कॉस्ट शेयर करनी पड़ेगी, जिसको बांग्लादेश ने करने से मना कर दिया. एट द सेम टाइम ढाका आस्क्ड इंडिया टू सप्लाई द वैक्सीन्स. India stepped up and Bangladesh is now receiving vaccines from India. काफी मिलियन डोजेस वैक्सीन की डील हो चुकी है और इसी को कहते हैं मौके पर चौका. Similarly, Nepal has not approved China's Sinopharm vaccine. Other than this, China has also made deals with many other countries for its vaccines, but those vaccines have either not been approved or they have not proven their efficacy. So obviously, China is not liking this. In a series of articles in Global Times, China is trying to make 3 points. Number one, it is accusing India of doing politics in vaccine supplying, and it is also accusing India of sabotaging its plan to supply vaccine to other countries. Second, it has launched a propaganda campaign to raise doubts over Indian vaccines. And third, it is highlighting how Indians in China are ready to take Chinese vaccines. This vaccine diplomacy can be very important in establishing good relations with other countries. We all know how China has not been very transparent about pandemic in its own country, but at the same time, we also expect India to be extremely careful and completely transparent regarding its vaccines, because one small mistake can give China an opportunity to discredit India's vaccine diplomacy and its success. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.